You, the most coolest person in the whole entire world. Today, we're gonna do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Chubby, 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 chubby.
Super size style.
Upside down.
Super size.
Let's get eating.
Giant size.
Okay, open it. It's okay.
Whoa! Giant marshmallow.
Medium-sized marshmallows. Oh my god! Marshmallow. Oh, so squishy. I just have the temptation to squish them like
They look like clouds.
Look, everyone, we have a bowl of clouds.
Okay, chubby bunny time.
Okay, everyone take one. Take one. I'm gonna
Stream.
no.
First, mommy.
Go. She's just
That's too extreme.
Ew, look at this lipstick. Say chubby bunny. Say chubby bunny. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Chubby. Okay, my turn. Chubby bunny. Content.
Oh my god. That's too extreme. Say chubby bunny, Colin. What is that?
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the smaller one.
Go. Say chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Okay, round 2. Everyone take a marshmallow. Take a small one.
Chubby bunny.
My turn. Look.
Colin turn.
I was sick one.
Right?
Round 3.
Chubby bunny. Good job. Cameron won. Mine came off again. Yeah. That's it. You want to try the big one? Okay, go. Colin, try the big.
Ooh, it's so squishy. Oh my god, I'm having second thoughts about this. Mommy.
Yummy, Colin. If you can fit that in your mouth, you're crazy because I couldn't even fit in my mouth to say chubby bunny. You'd be a queen of chubby bunny if you could do that. Oh, that's not bad. The winner is Cameron. So now you get to have a surprise egg. Colin's the winner. What? Why are you raising your hand? Are we in school? Colin's turn. You say it, Cameron.
Ready, action.
I'm the winner! Winner, chicken dinner. Now let's open the surprise egg. Lazy surprise egg.
Oh wait, toss me that marshmallow.
Daddy deserve a big one.
Biggie one. Ew. Why do you rip your marshmallow? Okay, let's open it.
This is delicious. pure softness.
A marshmallow.
Okay, let's see what's inside, everybody. Ew, why do you have a marshmallow on your thumb? Very lazy egg.
Surprise egg. What is it, Colin?
It has a car logo. No! Ah! Hey!
Open it, Colin.
Come on, open it. Ooh, we got one of the cars. Stars.
Missy?
Want to see it? Colin loves cars.
Oh, stop it.
It has a wheel action.
Look, there's a button and the wheels pop.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Yeah, yeah. His name is Sarge, like Sergeant.
Hi, Sarge.
Hi, Sarge.
How is that, Sarge? I can't
Blow it.
Thank
you.
How is Sarge?
That's a huge marshmallow.
I know. I don't know why they make it like that.
5, 5, 5.
Do you like cars, Colin?
Of course he loves cars. 5.
Are you excited to watch the new cars from Disney?
Oh yeah, they're releasing Cars 3. Yeah, I don't know why.
Lightning McQueen
This is so tough
and
to.
Mater.
And my favorite Mater.
I'm sweating.
Your favorite Mater? The Mater?
I thought your favorite was Lightning McQueen. I've been thinking all wrong.
Yeah!
Ooh, look at Sarge.
Let's see Sarge.
Ooh, Sarge. Ah, it's stuck on the tape.
Let's see the wheel action.
Let's see.
Wheel. Oh, whoosh, whoosh. And look, he talks. I am Sergeant.
Sergeant.
I am Sergeant. Drop down and give me 20. I'm not doing push-ups. Okay.
20 marshmallow.
20 mushroom. Oh, yum, 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 yum. I did 75 push-ups yesterday. Wait, get
These
it.
are addicting marshmallows.
Yes.
I know. She usually doesn't like sweets. Yeah. She usually doesn't even eat sweets. She'll always be like,
Ew, it's so gross. Eat this vegetable instead. Like broccoli.
Whoa, Colin, that's a fast car.
well, that's all we have for today. Make sure you like and subscribe.